I will show you how I'm making the pattern that looks like this. I'm crocheting coasters for my kitchen, for dining table, for hot pans. I made this coaster with basic stitches, so chain right here, then single crochet, and all the other rows are made by double crochet. You can use this coaster either with this side or with this side. Both sides up nicely and perfect. From this side I'm making double crochet only in the front loop right here, like this. Double crochet only in the front loop, and I'm not crocheting it very tight, making stitches more loose. And this is one side of the double crochet only in the front loop, just like this. I'm not crocheting it very tight, I'm making the stitches more loose. And for crocheting it, I'm using 4mm MonoMey Studio twisted cotton cord. This is the color mint, beautiful, cozy, and nice. On the sides from the beginning I'm making a chain of 3 like this, then I'm turning the work to the other side, this side, and from this side we will make double crochet only in the back loop. As you can see, we made a chain right here, and we do not crochet it right here, we made double crochet in the next stitch. And all this round, all this row will make double crochet only in the back loop. So it's really easy and quick to make. You can see how fast my coaster is coming up. Just like this. I'm crochet designer and I can teach you how to crochet. I'm making crochet coaster here for my dining table, for hot pans. It will be perfect for every day and for special occasions too. I will share all the details how to make it and the link to my written instructions for this lovely coaster. And I'm using here 8mm crochet hook, and in every row I'm making double, and in every row I'm making 20 double crochet. Double crochet is the basic stitch that you can use in most every crochet project that you make. Crochet coasters with me, you have to know only how to make double crochet, and this is the main stitch for making these cute and nice coasters.